good afternoon. Yes, it's afternoon. It's 12 o'clock. Your girl is hangry. Hangry. I brought an apple and trail mix and a protein bar, and I already ate it, and I'm hungry again. And I got my water. I started drinking 3 of these a day. This is my second one. So, listen, if you're new here, and this is your first time seeing this big ass head, definitely hit this subscribe button, hit the like button, support your girl. Yeah, sorry. So as far as my Walmart midweek, I need 18 for $5. That's just not gonna happen. No. It's not gonna happen, Ibotta. I'm finally back in the $5 club, and it's just not happening. But I did hit my larger bonus. I did hit that a few days ago, so I'll include that in this haul as well, which was cool. As far as today, I'm gonna try to be quick. It's already 12 though, like I said, so stores are busier, and I really like to try to get in there during those quiet hours because they don't play music, and it's just so much more peaceful. Less people in the store. It's quiet. You don't even hear the people over the speaker intercom as much. And that automatically just lowers my stress level, my anxiety level. I ain't even gonna front. My anxiety's got the best of me. But anyways, listen, I'm gonna try to make this quick. We're gonna head over to Walmart. We're gonna see what kind of awesome deals we can grab today. If you want to see what your girl got, you have to do, keep on watching. Okay, so the first deal is on the Werther's Originals, priced at $128. I'll have to pop up who I saw post this. I think I saw a couple people post this deal. And so for this, you want to grab a total of 2 of them. You end up paying $2.56. You'll get back $1.25 on Swagbucks for buying 2. There's also a total of $1.96 on Shopkick, making this a 65-cent. So this next deal, I'm gonna post up who I saw post. I'm gonna post up everybody that I got the deals from, y'all, because I be forgetting. It's on the Sambazon Acai Anyways, I thought this was just a frozen fruit, like down here, but it's not. It's right here by the breakfast waffles. And so it's priced at $3.22. There's an aisles offer for buy 2, get them both for free. And so I'm gonna go ahead and grab a couple. I hope it's good, because I'm always down to try some new stuff, especially when you ain't paying for it. Sometimes it hit a little different, but then sometimes it just dead ass don't. And so yeah, we're gonna grab 2 for free. I'll have a link for you in the Google Doc. All right, so this next deal is on the Siete. Now I did this in my last video. It was a bonus buy 2 get back, I think $1, or buy 3 get back $1.75. So since I bought 2, I got back the $1. I still have the bonus for buy 3, so I'm gonna buy the 3rd item and get back $1.75. Now I did try the chips because they were the cheapest item. And those are $4.18. But this coupon didn't work with that. I didn't think it would, but I figured why not try? And so I grabbed the Salsa, which is priced at $4.68. I used a $1 coupon. Again, I got this coupon from Vaughn's, which brought the total down to $3.68. And then I got back 75 cents for the offer, and then a $1.75 bonus would have made it $1.18. Next up is the Velveeta cheese dip. This is on the pasta aisle. I was looking on the, the dip aisle, like with the rest of the dip and the chips. I haven't looked on the, what is it? International aisle. But it's over here with the pasta sauce. It's priced at $3.64. There's an offer on Shopkick for $2.64 back, making it 84 cents. And I think the limit's like, I don't know, 2, 3, 4, 5. I don't know. Okay. I just saw it posted on the Instagram, and I wanted to share it with y'all over here. And so, all right, so this next deal is on the Ocean Spray Zero Sugar. They're priced at $4.96. Now I did see, I think I saw Romy Saves talk about this deal. They're priced at $4.96. Now the offer on Veggie Board is $4 back when you buy 1. It's only on the 3-liter, and it's a limit of 3. They only have 2. I think I'm gonna get another one and scan this one 3 times. Grabbing 3 of them, you would pay $14.88. You would get back $1.75 from Swagbucks for buying 2. Now I think she was getting back $2.50, but I think it's still a pretty decent deal. just getting that back from Swagbucks, and then a total of $13.50 from Fetch Reward. There's an offer for $4 for each one, and then there's also one for 50 cents for each one as well. Make all three free plus a 37-cent moneymaker. Now, of course, if I want to just grab two of them, then I would pay $9.92. I would get back $9 on Fetch and $1.75 on Swagbucks. So it'd be an 83-cent. I could just go ahead and just grab two and then maybe grab the third one on a different trip. And so yeah, not a bad deal though. So next up is the oat milk. So thank you to you guys who let me know that it's on the shelf with the shelf stable milk. It's priced at $4.48, getting that back. Is it $4.48? I don't know why I thought it was cheaper than that. Anyways, it's $4.48, getting that back through Ibotta, making it absolutely free. Next up is the V8 Splash. I think I saw Nicole post this. $2.68. There's an offer on Shopkick for $1.94. Makes it 74 cents per 6-pack, which is definitely not bad. So I was looking for the Weathers. How do you guys pronounce Weathers? I always say weather like the weather, but I know it's probably pronounced weather, like where there's a will, there's a way. I guess they don't have it here. It used to be on like the bottom shelf. Anyways, it's priced at $3.12. You want to grab two, you'll pay $6.24. You'll get back $1.50 total from Ibotta. I hope it's not dead ass in my face. You'll get back $1.50 on Ibotta, 2 on Swagbucks, and $1.96 on Shopkick. Makes it 39 cents per bag. And that popcorn is bomb. I was probably gonna get it even if I'm not getting back Shopkicks. I would have still got it because it's bomb. This one right here is bomb too. Ooh, I bet that one's good. Ooh, I bet that one's good too. So I'm grabbing 2 more of these. I mentioned this in my last couple videos. I'm barely getting my last 2 redemptions offer that is no longer available. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab 2 of them. Scan both my OTC coupons at checkout. Pay nothing out of pocket. Get back 50 cents for each on Ibotta, plus $1 on Fetch. Making them both free for a $2 moneymaker. Right, next up is the OxyClean, priced at $4.98. You want to grab 2 of them. You'll end up paying $9.86. You'll get back 5 on Swagbucks, 3 on Checkout 51, and $2.12 on Shopkick, making them a 16-cent moneymaker. All right, next up is the Purcell, priced at $5.44. You know, I just noticed that there's like the original scent, and then there's like that intense fresh scent. I think those are both 24 load bottles or 25 load bottles, and this one here is 20. I didn't even realize that. Maybe it's because it's the Oxy Power odor fighting one. Anyways, this price at $5.44. You want to grab 2 of them. Be using 2 of the $2 Pillies. You'll pay $6.88, getting back 4 on Ibotta, $1.50 on Inbox dollars, and then it'll make them $1.38 for 2 of them, or 69 cents each. I'm still tracking for the spend 30, get back 3 on Fetch Reward. If I get another set, I still won't hit it. I would have to get a 3rd bottle in order to hit that. So unless I just buy 3 at one time, I could do that. But I would only get credit for 2 of them on Ibotta. I'm going to think about it. We'll see. All right, so I went ahead and did the razor deal again since it reset for me. So we're grabbing the Skintimate one. One of you guys let me know that the printable does work in self-checkout on the Skintimate one. And so I tried it, and yeah, it did work for me. So grabbing one at $6.27. This is the $4 printable that I've been using. You end up paying $2.27, getting back 3 on Ibotta. It makes that a 73-cent moneymaker with a limit of 3. I'm sorry, limit of 2. And then I'm not going to go down there now because there's a bunch of people down there. But we're also grabbing the Extreme as well. And that one is priced at $6.78. $4 printable. Brings that total down to $2.78, getting back 3 on Ibotta. Makes that a 22-cent moneymaker. All right, next up is the Dial. It's on the Healthy Hydration, priced at $5.22. You want to grab 2 of them, you'll pay $10.44, getting back $1.50 on Ibotta, $1.50 on Fetch, 2 on Checkout 51, 2 on Swagbucks, and $2.56 on Shopkick, making them only 44 cents each. Next up is the Pons, priced at $2.18, getting back $2 on Fetch Reward with a limit of 3, making them 18 cents each. I saw Miss Danielle post this, so I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna try it and see if it worked out for me. On the Downy Wrinkle Release, our eraser, it's priced at $1.50. There's a $2 coupon on the pack. Hopefully that is scanned. I believe it's scanned for her. I'm gonna go to a regular register, making it free. So I'm gonna just grab 2 and see if it works. All right, so I was looking for the Pure Zero hair care. They don't carry it here. So just ignore the fact that I'm on probably in the wrong area, period, generally speaking. They don't carry it in my area. They're priced at $5.84, and for this you want to grab a total of 2 of them. You'll pay $11.68. You'll get back 6 on Ibotta, $4.96 on Shopkick. Brings them down to 36 cents each, which is definitely not a bad deal. Right, so next up is the Got to Be. I was looking for the 2-in-1 right here, the Brow and Edge Gel. It's priced at $6.47. For this, you're grabbing 3 of them. You're going to end up paying $19.41, getting back a total of $8.50 on Shopkick, $9.75 on Checkout 51, and $7 on Swagbucks. It makes it a $5.74 moneymaker. I saw Nicole post this deal. I saw Romy Saves post a different deal with the Got to Be, and for this, you're grabbing 2 of the curl foam at $9.97 and 2 of the styling cream priced at $9.97. You'll end up getting back $10 on Swagbucks, $13 on Checkout 51, $4 on Ibotta, and $15.32 on Shopkick, making that a $2.44 moneymaker. Deals on the Aleve. I'm not going to be doing this. Actually, I'm not doing a lot of these deals, but Savannah, Saving with Save over on Instagram posted this deal. They're priced at $5.47. 2 of them is going to cost you $10.94. You'll get back 3 on Ibotta, 5 on Swagbucks, $1.50 on Checkout 51. Makes them 72 cents each. I may do this next time, though, but I know I'm not going to hit a bonus today, so I'm not even going to do a bunch of offers if I really don't have to. And so, yeah, other than that, I'll see you guys at home for the final breakdown. Okay, so here is our complete haul for today. I think I only got like, let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4. I probably only got like 4 offers towards my midweek. So it didn't happen today, and it sure as heck ain't gonna happen tomorrow. But it still ended up being a really good deal, especially because I hit my larger bonus before it expired. I didn't mention the Airwick in the video, but I did do that again. And I feel like there was something else. Oh, I did have to go to Dollar Tree for something, so I went ahead and did 2 transactions of this and submitted one to Swagbucks and the other to, I think it was My Points, maybe. It did go into review for both of them. It did last time as well. And so it'll make those a 50-cent moneymaker per set. Now, I did not submit the receipt on Checkout 51 because my receipt is still in review on the sister apps. And so the last thing I want to do is get the 25 cents for each one on Checkout 51 and not get the one on $3 on Swagbucks. So I probably won't submit there unless it clears. If it clears, then I will. I didn't mention Dial, $134, 50 cents back on Ibotta. And the Downy, that coupon, it did scan for me. I did go to a regular cashier. I was having issues with Fetch because I had to update the app, and for some reason on my phone, it's no longer compatible. I had the same issue with Merryfield as well, so I had to download those apps on a different phone. But it kept sending me the code super duper late, like longer than 10 minutes. So I had to go back and forth with customer support. It finally worked out, and I was able to submit my receipt for the beech nut and the Purcell, and I did the ocean spray, of course, today. That was perfect, worked out perfect for that. And I did get scan the 01 3 times. They all were the same price though. With the razors, I did do the Skintimates with in self-checkout. Well, at least two of them I did in self-checkout, and coupon scanned fine. The other sets I did with the regular cashier, and they took them, all right, and they scanned. I'll pop up the receipts, but I did go to a regular cashier, and they did take them, even though they expired last month. So I think a lot of times they don't even check it for expiration date. They just scan it first, and if it beeps, then they look at the expiration date. So, anyways, but listen, I just wanted to mention that. And so everything you see here retails $116.72. We had 40.56 in coupons. It brought the out of pocket down to $76.16. My sales tax was $6.35. We're getting back $56.73 from Ibotta. Fetcher War was $14.50. Isles was $6.44. Swagbucks is $4.75. My points was $4.14, and box dollars is $1.50, bringing that total to $88.06 back, making everything you see here free plus $11.90, which is really awesome. So this ended up being a pretty awesome deal considering. The thing that saved me was me hitting my the larger bonus, basically, because obviously, I mean, I only did like 4 offers towards my midweek. And so other than that, if you made it to the end, I really appreciate you guys watching. Let me see some suns in the comments, and I will see you guys in the next video. As always, thanks again for watching. Bye, guys.